In an age where health information is everywhere, filtering out advice that is truly suitable for older adults has become more important than ever. There are so many suggestions about vitamins, supplements, evening habits, but do they all really work for a body that changes over time? Lucas understands that you may have tried many ways to improve your sleep and maintain muscle health, but still haven't found a truly sustainable solution. And today, Lucas isn't here to talk about a miracle pill or a passing trend. Lucas is here to share a truth that has been scientifically proven, a simple yet smart combination that can change the way you rest and recover every night. In this video, Lucas will reveal 2 special nutrients that not only help you fall into a deep sleep, but also silently protect and rebuild your muscles throughout your rest. This isn't just a trick. It's a nutritional strategy designed specifically for older adults, people who need better quality sleep, a healthier body, and a fresh mind every morning. If you are looking for a natural, safe, and effective way to improve your health from the inside out, then stay with Lucas. Because what you are about to hear is not just knowledge, it's the key to living healthy, happy, and fully every day. Magnesium, the conductor of health in your golden years. As we enter the twilight years of life, the body begins to undergo subtle but profound changes. Our bones are no longer as strong as they were in our youth. Our sleep becomes shorter and more easily interrupted, and our memory sometimes falters during familiar stories. This is a time when taking care of our health is not just necessary, but a deeply meaningful journey. On that journey, there is one nutrient that is often overlooked but plays a crucial role: magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral, involved in over 300 biological processes in the body, from regulating nerves to supporting energy metabolism. For older adults, magnesium's role becomes indispensable, especially in maintaining bone health. 1. The guardian of bone and joints. When the body is deficient in magnesium, its ability to absorb and utilize calcium is significantly impaired. Magnesium acts like a housekeeper, helping calcium go to the right place, the bones, instead of accumulating in soft tissues where it can be harmful. Magnesium deficiency makes bones weak and brittle and increases the risk of osteoporosis, a common but often silent disease. 2. A companion for the heart. Magnesium plays a key role in regulating heart rhythm, stabilizing blood pressure, and reducing the risk of stroke, ever-present concerns for older adults. A healthy heart not only prolongs life, but also brings a better quality of life, helping seniors enjoy every moment with their children and grandchildren. 3. The natural sedative. Magnesium is known as a natural sedative. It is involved in the production of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that helps calm the nervous system and put you in a state of relaxation. Magnesium helps turn off the stimulating signals in the brain, controlling racing thoughts, and helping you fall into a deep sleep more easily. Let me tell you the story of Jasper, 72, a retired physics teacher in California. He was always proud of his sharp mind and healthy lifestyle, but after retiring, he began to have a problem: sleep. He would often toss and turn, had trouble falling asleep, and when he did, he would be woken up by painful muscle cramps. He tried many vitamins and herbal sedatives, but they were ineffective. One day, his son, a marathon runner, told him, "Dad, you don't need sedatives, you just need to give your body what it's lacking." He explained that his symptoms could be due to a magnesium deficiency. After just 7 days of supplementing with magnesium, Jasper could sleep soundly through the night without cramps. He woke up with a fresh mind and realized that quality sleep was the key to maintaining his health. Lucas's advice: magnesium is found in many common foods like dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts and beans, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, bananas, and avocados. However, to ensure proper dosage, Lucas recommends considering supplementing with magnesium at a dose of about 200 to 400 milliliters before bed. Restoring strength in your sleep, the science of the anabolic state. Have you ever wondered why, after a good night's sleep, you feel refreshed, your mind is clear, and your body feels renewed? That's because of a special phase of sleep, the deep sleep phase. This isn't just a time for rest. It's when the body enters its most powerful recovery state, known as the anabolic state. During the day, when we exercise, work, or move, The body primarily operates in a catabolic state. This is the process of breaking down complex molecules to release energy. However, this process also creates small damage to tissues and muscles. It's during deep sleep that the body shifts into its most powerful anabolic state. This is when a crucial recovery hormone, growth hormone, GH, is secreted at its highest levels. GH acts as a biological architect, directing the process of tissue repair, muscle recovery, bone strengthening, and immune system enhancement. Not only GH, but deep sleep also helps regulate testosterone, a hormone important for both men and women in maintaining muscle mass and strength, while reducing the level of cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. So, deep sleep isn't just part of sleep. It's the foundation for total recovery. It helps the body regenerate energy, repair damage, regulate hormones, and protect mental health. However, for the anabolic process to be complete, the body needs the right building materials. Casein protein, the guardian that protects muscles overnight. If magnesium is the conductor that creates an ideal environment for recovery, we need a guardian to protect those results. I'm talking about a special type of protein, one that acts like a sentry working all night to ensure your workout efforts aren't wasted. That's casein protein. Did you know that not all proteins are the same? While whey protein is fast-absorbing and suitable for immediate recovery after a workout, casein protein is a slow-digesting protein. Why is casein the perfect choice for the night? Prevents catabolism. When we sleep, the body goes without food for a long period. This is when our muscles can be broken down for energy, catabolism. Casein forms a gel in the stomach, providing a steady and continuous stream of amino acids for 6 to 8 hours, preventing this muscle breakdown. Provides a sustained supply of materials. Casein ensures the body has enough bricks to rebuild what was lost during the day. It provides a rich source of protein, helping muscles recover and grow even while you're in a deep slumber. Let me tell you the story of Eleanor, 65, a woman who loved yoga and cycling. She always ate a protein-rich dinner like chicken breast or salmon, but after a while, she felt her muscles weren't as toned as before. They even seemed to be shrinking. She was discouraged because she tried so hard. She wondered where she went wrong. Eleanor discovered a shocking truth. Even while we sleep, our muscles can be broken down. Even though she ate enough protein during the day, her muscles were still shrinking because she didn't have a guardian to protect her muscles overnight. After learning about casein, she changed her habit. She still did yoga and cycled, but before bed, she ate a light snack rich in casein protein, like Greek yogurt with a little honey and chia seeds. After just 1 month, she noticed a clear difference. Her muscles became toned again, and she felt more energetic for her afternoon yoga sessions. The perfect combination, a complete recovery strategy. The stories of Jasper and Eleanor taught us a valuable lesson. A single nutrient isn't enough. For your muscles to recover and grow optimally, we need a complete strategy. Imagine it this way. Magnesium is like a conductor, ensuring everything in your body works harmoniously for a deep sleep. Deep sleep is the construction site for your muscles. Without this conductor, the site would be chaotic and unable to work effectively. And casein protein is the bricks and cement that are delivered to that construction site. Casein is slow digesting, providing a steady and continuous stream of amino acids for several hours, ensuring that the site never runs out of materials to repair and strengthen your muscles. This perfect combination creates a perfect recovery cycle. Magnesium helps you fall into a deep sleep, where the most powerful recovery takes place, while casein provides the necessary materials for that process to build and protect your muscles all night long. To help you visualize this, Lucas will give you an example of an ideal evening routine. 7 o'clock p.m., your last meal. 9 o'clock p.m., take your magnesium supplement or consume magnesium-rich food to relax your nervous system. 9:30 p.m., have a serving of casein protein, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a casein powder shake. 10:00 p.m., go to sleep. Lucas believes that with this strategy, you will not only sleep better, but also feel healthier, more energetic, and have a more toned body every day. You see, the secret to a healthy body isn't overly complicated. With just the right science-backed choices, we can optimize our health even while we sleep. Lucas has a challenge for you. Try this combination of magnesium and casein for 30 days and feel the difference. Lucas believes you'll be amazed at what your body can do. The feeling of fatigue will disappear, your stomach will feel lighter, and you'll have more energy for your workouts. If you want to discover even more secrets to fully master your health, don't leave yet, because what you've just seen is only the beginning. In the next video, we will delve into a question that confuses everyone. What you eat is not as important as how you eat it. I will show you 3 golden timings for eating, helping your body absorb nutrients best and burn fat effectively. This is the final key to mastering your health. Don't miss it. Act now. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to discover more health secrets no one has told you, because you deserve a healthy body, and Lucas will help you achieve that.